Alright folks, welcome back to the show. I got a thing in the mail I think that all of us are going to get good usage out of. Came from Amazon. I'll leave links down below. You can check them out online, but I wanted to do an unboxing of this. And y'all remember the endoscope videos that I did. Took an endoscope, went down inside of a guitar, and could look at things inside of a guitar that you wouldn't normally be able to see with the endoscope. You can search the channel here for endoscope, and it'll probably bring those videos up. Anyways, I'm going to review this product. This is an otoscope, otoscope, isn't that right? That's what this is. Normally it's used to look in people's ears, up their nostrils, and other orifices like that. And I'm just going to show it to you exactly the way it arrives. There's the cord. Well, there's the whole cord and the camera. Bring it over there where you can have a better look at it. There's what it looks like. And it has an adjustment right there. And quite a long cord. Okay, it's got a USB plug. This on the back is an Android plug, but I can't hook my phone into it. I'll tell you why in a minute. You can see it's a female. That should be a male. Anyways, I'm not sure what kind of plug that is. Maybe you guys know or can tell me. It's bigger than the Android plug right there, see? Hopefully you can see that. I can't see the camera, so I put glasses on. Anyways, you can adjust the light. It's got a light built into it. It shines out whatever you're looking at with the camera. And you can adjust the brightness or dimness of that light right here. There's some other things here. Here you can see some attachments in there. I think you can see them. They're very small, very tiny little pieces of wire to attach to it. And a cleaning cloth. And this, I think I read a little bit about those are ear cleaners to put it on the tip of it. I think. Yeah, I think the light shines right through these green ones. You put that over the end of the camera, the light shines right through the green ones, and it's a spongy type thing. And these others that run up and down this way, I don't know what they are. I probably never will use those, any of these right here. And then of course it comes in this nice little case here, zipper. It's a, well, I guess it's a hard like a hard shell case. Yeah, it's pretty hard. And there, of course, there's the instruction book manual that comes with it. Now, like I said, you would have to have like an Android plug cord with Android plugs on both ends of it. And they'd have to be a male on both ends to hook into my phone. I've got an Android phone, and I don't have anything else. You know, whatever this other plug here is, I don't have anything that'll fit that. I can't even adapt to it. But we can use the Android plug if you have, like say, a cord with an Android plug on both ends of the cord. I don't have that, so I can't hook it in my phone and show you that way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get you, and I'm going to take you into the computer room and hook this into the computer. It's got a USB port right there. I can use that. Probably have to download software. I know I will. But I'm going to do that. I'm not going to hold you up for that. I'll get the software stuff, install it, get the thing working on the computer, and then I'll get you and show you. This is a high definition camera actually, and it's not like that endoscope that I showed before. You could still go in guitars and look at stuff, but you can look at really tiny. If you think my macro lens was powerful, wait till you see this. I don't know exactly what I'll use it on guitars, but I'll find some use for it on guitars. Maybe looking in cracks and stuff like that. I don't know, man. But I'll show you how it works. So hold on, I'm going to do that right now. And let's get to it. What you're looking at is a guitar string. A very close shot of a guitar string. Lord have mercy, look at the dust. This camera is very hard to hold still because it is so powerful. It's a high definition camera. That's an old guitar string. Looks like it maybe was an elixir. I see coating on it. Wow, look at the dust, man. Check that out. That is a close-up shot if I ever saw one. Let me try this. There you go. The focal range is you got to get very close to whatever you're looking at for it to focus on it. As you can see here. Let me get back on the string. There's the ball. We'll have a look at it. Check that string ball out, man. There's dust all over it. And all over my desk and everything. Okay, check this out. This, yeah, if I can get right. That is the end of a very small needle. That's what that is. Should have a piece of string attached to it. It's a sewing needle. Yeah, there's this string attached to the end of it. I don't know. Let me try playing with that light a little bit. Maybe it's too bright. I think it was better with the... That's as bright as it'll go right there. Anyway, that's thread. That's just a piece of thread attached to that needle that you can see there. Wow, check that out. Let's look at the head of the needle very close. It's flat. You know how sharp a needle feels when you run it in your finger. Well, check that out, man. If you really if you really get close in on one and look at it, it's flat on the end, or this one is. And I don't know what that stuff is all over the needle. I have no idea what that is. I'm afraid to touch it now. But you can see how much power this thing has. It might be good for some uses on guitar. I don't know. I can't really think of any right now, but wow, that's amazing. Look at the crud on that. Looks like it's even got rust on it right there, right in the center of the screen. Amazing. Let's look at the thread closer. I'm just almost touching that thread right now. It focuses automatically. Like I say, it's a high definition. I'll have to look and see what the pixels that are on the camera. Just wow, man. I can clean my desk off too. Check that out. I couldn't even see that dust with glasses on. There's the string. The sewing thread. Actually, is what that is. A little tiny piece of thread look like that. But, I don't know, you tell me. What could we use this on the guitars for? Wow, check that out. I was wondering what that was. I thought it was a hair. Maybe it is. I don't know. It's just very powerful camera, though. Extremely powerful camera. As you can see, that tiny little piece of thread looks like baling rope. There's a tiny hole in the end of the pin, needle, whatever you call it, where you live. Alright, let's go back in normal mode now. And oh, I was going to show you. Let me turn this light off completely out. Grab a really bright flashlight. There, see, you can see the string, the guitar string, and there's the needle and the thread. See, like I say, it won't focus on it until you get very close. I'm shaking way too much to hold something that powerful. But you can see what I mean. If you back off away from it, see, it loses focus. It's not designed to look at things that far away. Oh, that is so hard to hold still, man. Now this macro lens is a lot like that camera. If I get too far away from what I'm looking at, see, it won't focus. That's my wide angle lens. Thank you guys for that. You got that for me a long time ago. But I just wanted to see how close we could get in with this macro lens here. Yeah, that's pretty dang close. But that little camera otoscope would be much easier to get inside of a guitar than this big camera I'm holding right now would be. I don't see the fungus on there that I was seeing in the with that other camera either. That's about as close as I can get without. I don't know if you can see the flat tip on that or not. Maybe if I turn it around a little bit like so. Wow, it's hard to hold still at this magnification. Let's look at the guitar string up violently close. Yeah, I don't know how that's going to come out compared to we got a lot more light here too than we had in that other room. But that's with the macro lens. I could see, it looked like wrapping on those strings like elixir, but I can't see that right here now. Of course, I don't have glasses on either. But that's a pretty good shot of a up close worn out string. Hold on. And this can also be used as a borescope. If you know what that is, you can Google that. Borescope, it's got, I don't know if I mentioned, it's got 6 LEDs in the end of it. It shines out so whatever you're looking at, you know, casts a light on it. USB, Android, and whatever that other plug is. Anyway, so I'm going to put links down here below to them. The name of the company is M-Way, M-W-A-Y, I think. Yeah, you might want to Google them, check them out. But I'm going to, the otoscope is on Amazon, so I'll put links down here. I'm not affiliated with the link or the company or anything. Just want to mention their name and put links down there in case you guys would be interested in checking these out. So I'll do that. So there you go, folks. That's what this little baby's all about. Otoscope. Look them up. I don't know what I'll ever use this on guitars for, but I'll probably find some use for it. You know, like this Les Paul here, for instance. There's a cavity that runs from the pickups down into the cavity where the pots are. You know, I could go completely through the cavity with that. My wife was cleaning her car one day, and some way was wiping out, you know, where the air blows out of the dashboard, and caught a ring and it fell down in the ducts. And I took that endoscope that you've seen me use before, ran it down in there, found exactly where the ring was laying at, and took it apart right there, and you know, it was easy. I mean, it was really funky going down in there with the endoscope in the heater duct of all places. I could do that with this, I guess. But there you have it. Thanks for watching. I'll let you know what guitar uses I find for this. I'll find something to use it on, I'm sure. Anyways, cheers. Thanks for watching. Check them out. I'm going to put links below. And oh, I want to mention M-Way. M-Way, is that their name? Yes, I think it is. It's the name of the company. M-Way. Google that and you'll see what I'm talking about. Cheers. See you soon.